If you're suddenly noticing websites loading slowly or not loading at all, you might be wondering, is Cloudflare down? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to check Cloudflare service status using a few official and third-party sources. By the end, you'll confidently know how to pinpoint whether an issue is just affecting you, or if it's part of a bigger outage. Let's dive right into how you can quickly assess Cloudflare's current status and get the answers you need. First up, the most trustworthy source is always going to be Cloudflare itself. Head over to the official Cloudflare status page at cloudflarestatus.com. This page is the central hub for all official incident reports. If Cloudflare is experiencing any kind of system-wide issues, whether it's a minor hiccup, a planned maintenance period, or something more serious, this page is the home base for real-time updates straight from the company. You'll see any ongoing incidents, how they're being resolved, and at what times updates are posted. If you spot an active incident here, you can rest assured it's not just you having trouble accessing your favorite sites. Alongside the status page, Cloudflare offers another fantastic resource called Cloudflare Radar. You'll find this at radar.cloudflare.com/outage center. Think of Radar as a live dashboard for the entire global internet. Not only does it provide insights into Cloudflare's overall performance, but it also highlights global and regional outages, sometimes even before they make the headlines. If you like data visualizations or want to geek out on real-time graphs about internet traffic, Radar's Outage Center is your go-to. Another powerful tool you shouldn't overlook is social media, specifically the X platform formerly known as Twitter. Cloudflare maintains two X accounts, at Cloudflare SIS and at Cloudflare Radar. The at Cloudflare SIS account gives you broader system updates and official statements, while at Cloudflare Radar focuses more on immediate, real-time outage tracking and network disruptions. If there's breaking news or an active incident, these feeds often post updates before the status page even refreshes. It's a great habit to follow these accounts, especially if your business, your clients, or just your day rely on Cloudflare working smoothly. Let's not forget the value of third-party status checkers. My personal favorite is DownDetector. Just type in DownDetector, ph/status/Cloudflare or swap in the version for your own country, and you'll see a live overview of user-submitted reports. This is like a community-powered weather report for the internet. If there's a sudden spike in complaints or problem trends, it's pretty good confirmation that something real is happening. Sometimes, DownDetector will pick up on regional issues or user experiences that haven't yet made it onto the official Cloudflare status page. So it's a useful cross-check. Now when you put all these sources together, here's a quick checklist. First, check Cloudflare's official status page for any declared incidents. This tells you immediately if Cloudflare is aware of and working on the issue. If nothing shows up but you're still noticing problems, hop over to DownDetector to see if there's a surge in user reports. This can help you figure out if the problem is more widespread, or if it's possibly isolated to your internet connection or local region. And finally, during an active outage, keep an eye on the Cloudflare X accounts for up-to-the-minute alerts. Sometimes, these rapid-fire posts or threads can give you a better idea of estimated resolution times, what parts of the world are affected, or even recommended workarounds. Remember, even big services like Cloudflare can have the occasional hiccup. Checking these resources doesn't just keep you in the know, it also helps you avoid unnecessary troubleshooting on your end when the root cause is outside your control. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share your own tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching and stay online.